Hello, this is Mr. Ag, and for our read aloud today, Tuesday, December 15th, I'm going to read Goal by Mina Java Herben and illustrated by A.G. Ford and published by Candlewick Press. When you're looking for children's books, look for the bear. It's your guarantee of quality. Left is clear, right is clear. The streets are not safe, but I have a plan. In a dusty South African township, Ajani and his friends have earned a brand new Federation-sized soccer ball. But when a crew of bullies tries to steal their ball, will Ajani and his friends be able to beat them at their own game? Mina Java Herben and A.G. Ford celebrate the strength that comes from friendship, the resilient spirit of children, and the unifying power of soccer in this evocative and moving tribute to the world's most popular team sport. A New York Public Library 100 Titles for Reading and Sharing selection, a Cooperative Children's Book Center Choices List selection, a Smithsonian Notable Book for Children, an International Reading Association Notable Book for a Global Society. Goal! I have to get water from the well before dark, but I finished my homework, and right now, it's soccer time. Jamal, Hassan, Magubani, Keto, Badu. I call for my friends. No one runs out to play. The streets are not always safe. Left is clear. Right is clear. I reach into one bucket and lift out my prize for being the best reader in class. I am the proud owner of a new Federation-sized football. Keto comes out of his house. I kick the ball to him. Ajani, he calls. No more old plastic balls, Jamal says. He kicks his old ball to the side, sending a flip-flop into the air. Magubani, Hassan, and Badu come out. We pass the shiny leather ball in a circle. We are real champions playing with a real ball. With my buckets, I set up the goal. Left is clear. Right is clear. The streets are not safe, but I have a plan. We'll take turns guarding for bullies. I pick Keto and Jamal for my team. Hassan picks Magubani and Badu. We draw sticks. Badu gets the shortest one. He is the first to stand guard on the roof. I kick off to Jamal. Magubani, fast, steals the ball. Keto steals it back, fakes a kick to the left. When we play, we forget to worry. When we run, we are not afraid. Keto shoots to the right. Corner kick! Jamal and I cheer. When we play, we feel strong. Hassan and Magubani complain, no fair! Our teammate's on the roof! I secretly point to Jamal's flip-flops and whisper to them, 2 against 2? Fair. We kick, we dribble, we run. After our brilliant ball, I follow the ball to the end of the alley. I follow the ball to the end of the world. I follow the black and white patches like a Bafana footballer. Corner! Corner! Keto, Jamal, and I shout. It's not a corner! Badu calls from the rooftop. We disagree. I shoot for the goal and knock a bucket down. Goal! Keto cheers. Badu jumps down and shouts, no way! No goal when the bucket falls! And suddenly, we see them. We are trapped. Quickly, I stand in front of the ball, give it a swift reverse kick into the bucket. Hassan tilts the bucket back down, hiding the ball. What do we have here? The tall boy asks. We're just playing football, I say. Just football, he says, and walks to me. I do not breathe and nod yes. Is this your ball? He pushes me aside and sets our old ball on top of the bucket. Say goodbye to your ball, then, he says and laughs. I panic. If he kicks the ball, the bucket will tip over and... Jamal covers his face with his hands. The tall guy snatches the ball. The bucket wobbles. My heart sinks. In slow motion, the bucket stops. The tall guy fastens the plastic ball onto his bicycle. Jamal pretends to cry. We follow his lead. Cry babies, the tall boy says. No playing soccer here or you'll be sorry. Chickens, says another. They laugh at us, get on their rickety bikes, and leave. We wait for them to get far away. Jamal climbs to the rooftop. Do-over, he calls, holding our Federation-sized ball over his head, like it's the World Cup that we've all won. Right is clear, left is clear. Badu wants to guard again. He promises not to jump down this time. I kick off to Keto. Magubani steals the ball. Keto steals it back, shoots. Hassan blocks with his chest, bumps the ball in the air. I get in with a head to Keto. Keto shoots to Jamal. Magubani has the ball. He passes to Hassan. Hassan runs. I steal from Hassan and whoosh like the wind, glued to the ball. I dribble past him and goal! Left is clear. Right is clear. Down the alley as far as we can see is clear. The streets are not safe, but we have a plan. When we play, the sound of our kicks on the ball is music. When we play together, we are unbeatable. Author's note. The game of soccer, called football in most nations outside the United States and Canada, has been around for thousands of years. During the Middle Ages, kings and rulers banned soccer because they wanted men to go to war instead of gathering together to play. The punishment for playing soccer was death. To this day, in the face of poverty, bully rulers, and unsafe alleys, people play soccer. Through war, revolution, and hardship, people play soccer. In South Africa, East Asia, North America, the West Indies, and in all corners of the world, people play soccer. Soccer bonds. Soccer makes both young and old feel that they belong, that they matter, and that they can win. In South Africa, the people affectionately call their national football team Bafana Bafana, the boys. Here in this alley, we join a group of friends as they embrace the spirit of soccer. They play to stay connected. They play to stay children. They play to stay human. But mostly, they play to play.